When the margins between product success and failure are so thin, it's critical to have a roadmap to success. Welcome to Stop and Go Tips for Effective Product Road Mapping, a new series by Productboard. This series will focus on 3 key areas. First, the fundamentals of building and sharing product roadmaps. Second, tips for making data-driven prioritization decisions. And third, real-life examples of excellent product roadmaps. Each episode will equip you with the knowledge you need to stop taking costly detours that lead you away from your product vision and start building road mapping best practices to help you successfully and swiftly reach your ultimate product destination. I'm your navigation guide, Japna. Let's get the show on the road. Don't forget to subscribe to our Productboard YouTube channel for more episodes. Thanks so much for watching.